Hi, everybody. Welcome to another episode of If This Car Could Talk. Today, we're at the Muscle Car Nationals in Chicago, Illinois, and next to me is Mr. Jim Wicks from Oklahoma. Anybody that knows Performance Fords knows Jim's name. He's been around forever doing the Performance Ford thing, and he brought a car that is absolutely amazing that we want to bring to you today. It's a 1971 Cougar XR7 429 Cobra Jet 4-speed car. So I'm going to walk away and I'm going to let Jim tell you all about this car. Here you go, Jim.
Very unique automobile. This is one of 5 built 4-speed XR7 Cobra Jet convertibles. Very cool history with the car in that it was bought new in the Bronx by a naval fighter pilot who was immediately transferred to San Diego Naval Air Station, thank goodness. And of course, here we are in the early 70s, and what was right around the corner but the first gas crunch and the petroleum embargo that caused us all a lot of pain, and still seems to today. But anyway, the car became a little bit of a problem due to the gas mileage, and it got traded in at a Ford dealership there. And at that point, a fellow that was from the Tulsa, Oklahoma area just happened to be driving by and saw the car and decided that he wanted to check it out. Well, to make a long story short, he ended up buying the car. This car was his family car. He did everything, drove it to work, raised his kids, but the car became kind of well known on the Tulsa street race scene. 429 4-speeds, fairly formidable, but he tricked a few things out and enjoyed this car quite a bit. Often a participant at our Mid-America Ford and Shelby Nationals, and all through the 80s, 90s, early 2000s, and then ended up deciding to retire the car, and it ended up being put up for sale. So he gave me a call, and I thought, this is a cool car. I need to own this car. So at that point, I acquired the car and started making plans to restore it and bring it back to all of its glory. So here it is today. I hope everybody enjoys it.